Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. Bird. Bird is the word. Don't you know about the bird? Everybody's talking about Bird Nerd.
So, welcome back to Bird Nerd. And today we are going to do a quiz with multi-choice options. And if you've been watching Bird Nerd in the previous videos, you might remember the answers. So, let's get into it. So the first question is, what species of bird likes to eat the species of crab called mud crab? Was it the pewaka waka, the kakapo, or the kotare? Think about it. Who lives by the sea? That's why they can't scuttle back into the holes when Kingfish is coming down because he is so fast. It was kotare. Okay, let's do the next quiz question. And for our next quiz question, according to episode 4 of Bird Nerd, what is the cheekiest bird in New Zealand? Was it the whio? Was it the pukeko? Or was it the kia? Think about it. What is the cheekiest bird? It climbs on people a lot.
Through cheeky behavior and resourcefulness, they have learned to rely on sneaking unnatural foods from humans.
It was the kia. Okay, let's move on to the next quiz question. So this is the next quiz question. What is the difference between kahu and karere? You remember it in ep5 of Bird Nerd when we went to the Travis wetland. One has orange legs, one has fingered wings, and one has green feathers. Think about it. See if you can remember it.
Kahu look a bit like karere or the New Zealand falcon, but you can tell the difference because kahu is larger and has fingered wings and a longer wingspan.
It was one has fingered wings, and it was kahu. So I think that's it, but it might be another one if you're lucky. But let's move on to the next one. You are lucky. We just fitted another quiz question in, and it's the last one. The quiz question is from episode 3. What bird weighs 1 kg? Was it the black-backed gull? Was it the kotare? Or was it the tui? Think about it. It's a big bird. 1 kg is quite a lot. And they weigh up to 1 kg. Oh, there's another one in. The brownish one is a teenager one. It was the black-backed gull. Hey, I think that's it for today. So see you on the next episode of Bird Nerd. Bye.
Don't you know about the bird? Everybody's talking about Bird Nerd.